Welcome everybody to Virtual Science. Today I wanted to go over a couple of little changes I made to Google Classroom to try and help everybody out. Okay, in the last 9 weeks, because I understood we had a bumpy start to the semester and internet problems and everything else, I pretty much had no deadlines right up until the report card. But we need to get on a regular schedule this new semester, and so that I can grade things, post things, and keep PowerSchool up to date. So you'll notice that each week, okay, starting with the week that we're just finishing, it says week 921 to 925 due on the 13th. Everything that's posted in the schedule for that week is going to be due on midnight of the 13th. After that, I'm not accepting it. Okay, now it says here, week 9/28 to 10/2. It's due October 18th. That gives you 2 full weeks plus the weekend before I come in on Monday to get everything done. So looking at this calendar, I assigned the stuff on the 2nd. I'm giving you the first week, which would be to the 9th. The second week would be to the 16th. And then over that weekend, the 17th and 18th on Saturday and Sunday, because I'm not going to grade them over the weekend. So I'm going to give you the benefit of that time. When I come in on the 19th, I'm going to grade that stuff, post it in PowerSchool, and then we're done with it. Okay, now each week is going to have the same weekly planner that we normally have. So you can open this up. You really need to get into a regular schedule. We've talked about this before, following the to-do list. If you click on Present, we'll bring the planner up. It's a little easier to see and use this way. You'll open the planner, and of course you'll see the days of the week. You need to get in a habit of doing this. On Monday, you should set aside, as we talked about setting a schedule. It's take you about 45 minutes and an hour to do this. Okay, you're going to look at Monday's to-do list. You're going to click on the warm-up and do it. You're going to review your homework that you did last night in live worksheets that show you the right answer. You're going to go to today's video lesson. It is extremely important that you watch the video lessons. This is the only way I can reach out and teach. Okay? When you go to live worksheets, like I said, it will show you the right answers. Okay, so you should be working in study packet 3 right now. When you're done with an assignment, okay, like on this one, it asks you to connect. When you see this pencil, it's asking you to connect calcium's in family 2, so you would be connecting it to the dot diagram in family 3. Silicone is in family 4, so you would connect it. Hydrogen is in family 1. When you're done and you say finished, it gives you the option to see the right answers. You can repeat the exercise if you need to. Make things easy for some of you so you can see the whole week all at once, instead of having to go to each individual day like in the weekly planner, and then you go and see Tuesday and you click on the things. I made what I call the week at a glance. It's exactly the same thing as in the weekly planner, but it'll show you the whole week all at once. So you could do Monday's work and watch the lesson, Tuesday's work, Wednesday's work, Thursday's work, Friday work. Okay. Also included in here are the important links to the web page, everything that's in the weekly planner. Okay. So it's very important that you stay organized. We're going to have deadlines for each week in Google Classroom. You'll see when I assigned it. So work for last week, 10/4 to 10/9, is due on the 25th. So again, if you look at the calendar, 1 week would be the 16th, 2 weeks would be the 23rd. I'm not going to grade it over the weekend, so I'm going to give you the benefit of the 24th, 25th. When I come in on the 26th, I'm grading the stuff that was in this weekly planner. Okay? These warm-ups will be due. If they're submitted late, I probably won't be regrading them. Okay? You need to watch the instructional videos for each day. You need to be completing these assignments. Okay? This upcoming week. It is important for you to note that on Friday, there is a benchmark that you will be taking in Performance Matters. Okay, you're going to log in the way you always do to Performance Matters, and it's important that you take this benchmark. Okay, during this week, I'll be going over and having some review.